Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to create a double-sided, extremely elastic and uniquely easy to perform knit. We will knit equally on both sides. The pattern consists of 6 loops in one row. I'll also show you how to create a beautiful edge using the I-cord technique. Start by casting on a multiple of 6 stitches plus 1, that will level the seam on both sides. Add 6 I-cord loops, 3 on each side. Talking about the I-cord creating on the side edge. The I-cord is created by making 3 loops at the beginning of the row and 3 loops at the end. After knitting these 6 loops on the first side of the knitted fabric, you should slip them to the right needle without knitting on the second side. The scheme is the same on both sides of the knitting. We start with knitting the 3 loops of the I-cord. Next are the 6 loops of the scheme. Knit 4 loops. Slip 2 to the right needle without knitting. Again, knit 4 loops. Slip 2. Knit 4 loops. Slip 2. At the end of the row, knit the additional loop out of the scheme. Next are the 3 loops of the I-cord, knit them. On the flip side, slip the 3 loops of the I-cord first with the thread in front. Knit 4 loops. Slip 2 to the right needle without knitting. Knit 4 loops. Slip 2. Knit 4 loops. Slip 2. At the end of the row, knit the additional loop out of the scheme. Next are the 3 loops of the I-cord, slip them to the right hook with a thread in front. I've presented a sleek, stylish elastic knit just for clothing and accessories. The fabric has abnormal stretchiness. The I-cord seamlessly fits into the pattern and enhances its texture, looking like an integral part of it. The use of slipped stitches adds strength to the knit, preventing it from loosening. I hope you find this knitting pattern useful for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.